In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm with voice alerts. So this thing actually talks to you, believe it or not. And this is from the company Xsense, and just kind of like looking over the box here. This is ultra thin, minimalist, and modern design. It is very thin. It's like that wide. Detects both smoke and carbon monoxide levels in the surrounding air area. When triggered, it provides a verbal warning of present danger of smoke and carbon monoxide, extra loud buzzing with over 85 decibel volume for clearly audible alarming, high performance photoelectric sensor, and CO sensor for high sensitivity. Yeah, let's just kind of open it up and see what it looks like here. I did actually open this thing up and go over it, and you can see the unit itself. It was wrapped in this thing. You get some installation hardware for drywall or just kind of like screws to screw in, a little thank you card from Xsense, a little set of instructions on how to install the battery. And looking over the alarm here, it looks really good. This looks very premium, and I'll show you how it kind of works here. The back has more like a honeycomb type design. That looks good. And the battery in this thing, I think it's a CR123. Yeah, it's the CR123A battery, and it comes included with it. And you could see right there how that little system works. You just drop it in. It has a tester on it, and I'm going to test it for y'all. So you put this, so what you'd do, you'd screw this back down, then you'd put the alarm on it, and just, I'm going to put it kind of in the middle of my house, and you could see once it turns on, it has a display on the front. You have a CO, meaning carbon dioxide right there, and ppm, parts per million, and it will tell you how many parts per million. It's got a battery gauge right here. There is a test right here that has a silencing alarm. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick test on it. So all you're going to do is touch this.
This is only a test. The alarm will
now you should do this about once every couple weeks maybe.
To cancel the test. Testing the smoke sensor.
Okay, that's loud.
Testing the carbon monoxide sensor. The test is finished. Normal working status.
There you go. So we know it works. So that test sensor, you're going to put do that about maybe a week. What do they actually suggest on there? I think the testing, they say test device by pushing a weekly test. Oh, wow. Well, there you go. Every week you should just randomly mash that when you're doing your normal walk-arounds. So, yeah, I highly recommend smoke alarms in anybody's house, carbon monoxide alarms. I have gas heat here. I have a gas stove, not gas heat. But if you got like gas, if you're running that, you should definitely run a carbon monoxide alarm, because that is a very serious thing, if not like going to alarm for that. And how awesome is it that you have an alarm for both of them in one device here, and a very high quality device too. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Xsense combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. See you all in the next video.